The topic earning and learning through social media. This is a fantastic topic for the current youth because everyone are using the mobile and internet. I don't think anyone existing nowadays without a mobile, that too a smartphone, and without an basic internet. Most of them are using either Facebook or WhatsApp. Surely, see this data shows the social media penetration in the world, the entire world. It shows the total population is 7.5 billion. In that, urbanization is 54%. And in that, internet users are 3.773 billion, nearly 50% of the total population. Among them, 2.789 billion are active social media users. So out of the total population, we have nearly 30% of the population using the internet. So this gives the clear picture of how the internet has penetrated the entire population. Active mobile social users are 2.5 billion, that is 34%. Out of the total social media users of 2.7 or 2.8 billion, this is nearly 90% are on mobile. So this is a vast number which gives you an idea. If you start something on social media, how many customers you will get. It is 2.549 billion. Among these, why we should target only the mobile? Because today's customers are connected. They are connected through the mobile. They are informed. They know each and every activity happening all over the world. So they are informed. They use all kinds of apps, all kinds of mobile applications, and they are social. They are connected with everyone. Today, customer is mobile friendly and informed, and he is social. Because mobile is the game changer in the current world. Everything is happening through the mobile. Whatever you do, it is going to your Facebook, you are uploading to Facebook, and everyone are there on the WhatsApp and all other possible and feasible platforms. What is happening in 1 internet minute on the world? 1 internet minute means 60 seconds. What all things are happening around the globe over the internet. See there on Facebook, 1 million logging in happens in a minute, 1 million logging. 18.1 million texts are sent over the Facebook. 4.5 million videos are shared or viewed on YouTube. So this gives the entire picture of what is happening over the social media. Because when we are going for the social media, when we want to present or to get the benefit of social media, we should be aware of what is happening in social media, which is a powerful platform to use so that I can make the money, I can reap the money, I can earn the money. So today's topic we are focusing on how to make money or earning through social media and learning through social media. See, this is the 10 topmost earning possibilities on social media. So let us see one by one. See, the first one is affiliate marketing, means you are marketing for somebody. Someone's product you are marketing on your social media. Next one is sales, you are selling for somebody. Next, YouTube, I am going in depth on all these topics. YouTube, you can create the videos and put it on the YouTube and start making the money. You can start coaching whatever knowledge you have, be it education or learning or any other. You make coaching activity on social media or internet. If you have expertise on any of the development or other skills, you can do the freelancing services. If you are good in taking the photos or creating the videos, now the TikTok era is gone, but there is one more avenue. You can use Instagram. You start creating the photos or start creating the videos and upload into Instagram, make money. Then digital marketing, content marketing, leave all the technical knowledge. If you have any other normal skills, you can market that on the internet. The final, the blogging, the 10th one, but the list never ends. There are hundreds and thousands of skills you can sell on the social media. You can earn money on the social media. So the first one, affiliate marketing. What is this affiliate marketing? Means you are having the resource, you will act as the publisher, but there are somebody who wants to sell their product and they are looking for the place to promote their product. Now they are looking for the avenues where people are coming. For example, you might see if there is any event happening in the offline platform, there may be some grand event happening, Udupi Utsava or Mangalore Cultural Fest. There are many businesses taking the stalls and promoting their products, right? In online platform, it is the affiliate marketing similar to these stalls. If you are having something, you are having some platform where people continuously visit to purchase something or read something or get some information, then you can put the stalls of other people's where they can showcase their products on the sites of your contents. For example, you are having on a blog. You might have seen Daiji World website. Why there are so many advertisements? Because there are many people visiting to the Daiji World website. So you can create your own blog, you can create your own website and promote the contents or products of other people. This is called affiliate marketing. In this, there are 4 types of people. One is the publisher, it is you who will have the website and start publishing the content and give the opportunity to the product owners to promote their content. So affiliate marketing, in that the merchant, the product owner is one party, network is another party, the internet platform, the consumer, the final consumer who visits to your site and whose attraction is required for the merchant, and finally you are the main player in that affiliate marketing. You are the publisher who is creating the avenue for the merchants. So how it works? You having your website and you will create or give the space to the merchants to show their ads. You can do one of the 2 methods. So in the website, you can put 2 types of advertisements. One is you can go to individual vendor and get the advertisements and publish it on your blogs or websites. Think you were busy with your contents and your website maintenance and you don't have any time to reach to the advertisers. Then you can go to the advertisement vendors like Google AdSense, or there are many other whom you can contact. You can pass through their verification criteria, and once you are succeeded in verification, their ads started flowing into your website. You need not do anything, and based on the cost per click and people visited, number of views, everything, you will start gaining the money. This is one way of making money. The next one is sales on social media. Earlier, people used to sell on physical platforms where they used to follow the traditional sales method. You give the sales demo, then start giving the cold calls, and once cold calls are effective and the prospective customer, he receives your call and he is positive into your product, he is called as qualified lead. That qualified lead has to be promoted and he should be given better awareness about your product and continuous emails, contacts, calls. Then he will convert into a active customer. This was the old traditional sales method. But in the current trend, people are using the networking or new sales playbook where social sales is taking major playground. Here you will identify which social network you want to use and educate the people or hire the affiliate marketers and push your advertisements through their platforms on the social media, promote your products and get the qualified leads. See here for the merchants, the benefit is they need not spend too much on the not convertible websites or not convertible platforms. They will pay only to the converted numbers. That is called cost per click. Only if the user clicks on his ad, he is going to pay you. So for you, it is a benefit. Whatever visitors comes in, they might visit for your content, but if their interest is attracted towards the advertisement, then they might click on the ad. That is an added revenue. So sales we have seen. So in the sales funnel, it goes in the following order. First you create the awareness through the social media, convert that awareness into an opinion. Once the people started getting the opinion, it gets converted into the consideration. They start considering your product or your merchant's product. Then make it to be a preference product. And once it becomes a preference product, they will start purchasing it. So social media plays a very major role in purchasing the products. For example, you might have observed this. You go to Flipkart or Amazon, you try to search something. For example, you want to purchase a watch and you have gone through 2-3 product types, watches. Then you did not purchase, you come out. You go to social medias like Facebook or even Twitter or YouTube, wherever you go, you will see the advertisement of watches. The same watches what you have seen on the Flipkart or Amazon. How this happens? How these social media platforms known that you are searching for such type of watches? Because there is connectivity between the search engines and Google tells them, hints them that you are searching for this item, and social media start showing this product as your probable requirement. See how it is linked. This is how sales on social media works. Now the third point, YouTube. There are many people who create the YouTube videos. Be it small or be it big, be it a conference video or be it a classroom video or be it a learning video, whatever may be it a entertainment video. YouTube does not make any difference. For YouTube, what is the time of the video, how the people are interested into that video, what is the average view time. For example, you have put a 1 hour video. That does not mean anything to YouTube. What YouTube considers is how many subscribers you have and how often they come and visit your YouTube channel, and how much minutes or how many minutes they are on your video. For example, they have started one of your 1 hour video and they just forwarded it and spent only 5 minutes on your entire 1 hour video. For YouTube, it considers only it has the 5-minute video view time. So in YouTube channel, you can see all these analytics, and based on analytics, you can start monetizing your YouTube videos. For starting the monetization, first you should have this basic criteria. On screen you can see, you should have in 1 year, you should have 4,000 hours of watch time. That is 240,000 minutes of watch time and 1,000 plus subscribers. So whenever you go to YouTube to see anyone's video, if you find it useful, please make a help. Click on the subscribe button on that YouTube video, on that channel, so that whatever you enjoyed, you are helping to the YouTube video creator to promote, and it will create interest in him to create more and more such videos, and he will start getting more and more money. You are not giving any money. Remember, you are not giving any money to the YouTube video creator, but YouTube platform gives the money to him. So whenever you visit the any of video, if you like it, if you think it is interesting, click on subscribe, click on like, and share the videos. In YouTube, how the calculations or monetization is happening. When you start uploading the video, it starts creating the views. It does not collect all the views. It finds out which are the organic views. Organic views means people who are interested and come and see. Then it will see how many permanent subscribers you have, whether subscribers are subscribing and unsubscribing. If that is the case, then channel will not get the monetization. So whenever you are publishing on YouTube, ensure that your content is valid and interesting to the people, and ensure that it has got something to the people, so that they will come repeatedly for your channel, to your channel, and view your contents. And as a viewer, you also have a responsibility to publish, to subscribe to the channel and like and share the channel. Next one is online coaching. It is not only websites or not only other activities. If you are having expertise in teaching, or if you are having expertise in some of the education related content, you can do the online coaching. For example, if you are good designer, you can teach the people how to do the designing, Photoshop editing or video creation. All that things you can teach people through online mode. You might have seen Kudroli Ganesh magic classes online. He is using the Zoom platform. Similarly, he can use even the YouTube platform or social media platform, where he can educate the interested people, or even you can do it. For example, there are many teachers or lecturers. You can create the YouTube videos, or you can start online coaching on the social media platforms. You can create the bigger network of participants. When you have the bigger network of participants, you can start earning like anything. So online coaching, for example, IAS, IPS, IFS, all these areas, KS. For example, in our Karnataka, people are not passing through the KS or IAS. But same you compare with the Tamil Nadu or even Andhra Pradesh, governments are taking initiative. They are selecting the students and whoever gets through their selection process, they are giving 1 year training with accommodation, and after 1 year they will be going to attend the IAS IPS examination. But in our Karnataka, this facility is not there. So being a lecturer or being a resource person, you can start doing it. Start training or start guiding the people who wants to go for the jobs, banking examinations. We are not sharing our knowledge. Whatever knowledge we have, we think that it is our product, we don't want to share. Always remember, the knowledge you share more, you will have more knowledge. Next, fifth one, freelancing. There are many works available outside India. Leave India. If it is within India, you can go there and work. But many companies, what they do, like in COVID-19 time, they have the work, but they don't find the expert people. So there are many freelancing websites where they post these job opportunities. You have to register in that freelancing websites and grab that opportunity. See, there are many freelancing websites you can see on the screen. In these, Upwork and Freelancer are major ones. You register there, you select what expertise you have. Even it can be in designing, website development or coding or even quality translation works, anything and everything. There are some videos might be required for some universities or some platforms. So you can start doing that. In freelancing, the benefit is, if you are doing a job, you have to be stick to 8 to 6 or 9 to 7. You never imagine that you will get 9 to 5 job. Nowadays, even government is extending their timing to 9 to 6. And in private and corporate, you always know it is the work completion time. Who don't want to have a free or flexible timing of working from home in his free time and earn money more than what the government or even banking people earn? So always identify your knowledge niche, your expertise, and start working on freelancing. Initial days it might be very difficult, but after few months you will start earning in thousands and then lakhs. I'll show you some examples of people who are earning lakhs in a month. It is not lakh, it is lakhs in a month. So let's move on. Instagram. Instagram is also a wonderful platform. See, in YouTube you can share only the videos, but in Instagram it is a free photo and video sharing app available on Apple, Android and Windows phone. Here the requirement is you have to build the community with the followers. See, for Facebook you might be having 500, 1000, 2000, 3000 people. What is the benefit? How you are reaping the benefit? But in Instagram, if you have around 5,000 or 10,000 followers, you start keeping engaged yourself. It is not just creating the followers and keeping quiet. You have to be engaged on the Instagram. That means you have to put the comments, you have to comment or like on the photos, you have to engage and respond and put your photos, etc. Once you are good in network and active, start finding out which hashtags are earning more or which hashtags are getting more responses. For example, yoga, nowadays it is getting more active. So start using the yoga hashtag and start commenting. See, the merchants or vendors who want to promote their product, what they do, they start keep on monitoring which Instagram account is very active. Once they find or you are on their radar, they contact you and they will give you some content you have to publish on your Instagram platform. Why? Because you are having the followers. Once you put the content, it will go to all that followers and their followers. This will help them getting more and more network reach. The more and more network reach you will have, they will have more and more sales and you will have more and more demand. So use the Instagram platform effectively and efficiently. Most of us use the Facebook, most of us use the WhatsApp, most of us use the Instagram, but just to kill our time. Never think your time is a waste. No. Always think how to use the time. Though it is a social platform, how to use your time to make money. Okay, now let's move on to next, digital marketing. This is one big area where you can mint money like anything. It is not just earning money, it is minting money. Digital marketing covers all the areas where you can reach to the customers or prospective customers and sell them your product or your vendor's product or make them interested towards something. So digital marketing covers social media and YouTube, everything. In digital market, the major concept is search engine optimization. In search engine optimization, what happens? See, you may be having your website or one of your customer will reach you and he is having his website, but it is not coming on the top ranking of Google search. Why so? Because he has not followed the search engine optimization. In search engine optimization, there are two types. While searching in the Google, you might have seen, if you put one content, for example, one keyword, digital marketing, and want to search something in the Google, the first 2 or 3 are the ads which displays on the search. Then comes all the websites. But in these websites also, why your known website is not coming on the top? It comes after 5th page or 10th page and even 100th page. Why so? Because they have not used the search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is a process where you are using the meta tags and keywords properly in the websites. And you know which keywords are working in the websites or in the search engines and using that effectively in your website so that it comes on the top. It is not what keywords you use, it is the method which keywords are in very much demand. So all these are called search engine optimization. This is organic search. Organic search is after the ads, what all searches results are displayed, that is called organic search. There is also a concept called search engine marketing. What is search engine marketing? See, the first 2 or 3 ads displayed on the Google search, it's called search engine marketing. There are many people who give Google the payment for putting their ad on the Google search result, but there is option only for 3 results. So these results are displayed based on the relevance of the keywords and your payment to the Google, how much you are ready to pay, your bid amount. So you should be knowing how much to bid, what all keywords to be used, all these things. So the concept of search engine marketing is very popular. Friends, always try to understand these 2 things. Then return on investments. When you are using the digital marketing, you should be very much aware about PPC and CPC. PPC is pay per click, how much the vendor is ready to give per click, and CPC is cost per click, how much AdSense is giving you as a publisher for every click clicked on your websites. So all these things should be very familiar. So start learning on digital marketing. If you want to learn on digital marketing, you can come to my website www.digitalsprasad.com, where I am having separate section for digital marketing. www.digitalsprasad.com. So next one is content marketing. It is not only the arrangements in technical websites or blogs or videos and all. If you are a good writer, if you are a good researcher, if you are a good analyst, if you are good in anything, start creating content on that. For example, you are a good cook, start creating the recipes, start creating the videos of recipes and start uploading it. If you are a good carpenter, start creating videos of how to create new models or new furnitures. If you are a good electrician, start creating videos of how that electrical hazards can be avoided, or how any minor electrical problems can be identified. See, the world is vast. You will have more and more opportunities, but you should know how to use that. So the first one is research and insight. What is there, what is not there, how it is there, how it is not there. For example, you may be very good in something, but you might think all these videos are already available in YouTube or Facebook. But friends, remember, you are good in cooking, and cooking already there are videos available, but all there that are in English, or that may be in Hindi. Create videos in Kannada and upload. There are 6.5 crore people in Karnataka who wants to have videos in Kannada. At least 40% of people who will be very much happy if they get some videos in Kannada. So start publishing in Kannada. Websites, videos, social media, everywhere you use Kannada. So set the goal. First research what is required in the internet or social media. Set the goal, what you want to do. Prepare the content strategy, how you want to do it. Start creating the content. Then curate the content. Don't push the content without seeing. Once you have developed it, verify whether it is worth pushing. Then distribute it over the social media. While distributing, ensure that you are using a proper channel where you are getting the money. Then engage the audience. See, once you are getting some networks or customers, never sleep. If you do not connect with them continuously, you will lose your already created customers. So keep on putting something. If it is not daily, you put the message there, I am publishing weekly on Sundays, or twice, Thursday and Sunday, or Wednesday and Sunday, so that people keep coming on that days. So you should use that engagement policies, how to engage your customers. Next one is skills marketing. Friends, I told already, even in content marketing, you might be having different skills. Try to identify what is your expertise and what is lagging in the market, and try to push yourself into the market. So skills marketing, it can be any creativity, any negotiation techniques, any technology, any stress management activities, maybe yoga or physiotherapy or anything. Or you can explain about analytical thinking, how you can solve a problem. You might be knowing about Prathvish of Brahmavara, who has did world record in Rubik. He has started creating videos on Rubik solving. Similarly, every area you can do and utilize for educating the people. And even public speaking, why we as a trainers, we are uploading the contents, our expertise. We can try to find out all the areas where I can contribute and I can make the, so so all these skills you have to identify in which area you are specialized and try to push that area and start marketing your skills. The last one, blogging. That's what I told already. This is my blog. Any area, if you are good in writing, then start the blogs. There are many people who think that I am doing the blog on Blogspot. Friends, remember the difference. In Blogspot, it is a hobby. You are just uploading your content for somebody's knowledge. But always remember, you will not make money on Blogspot or any general blogging sites. If you want to make money, start your own website and start putting your content and start promoting it and start getting the ads. So this is all about 10 areas. It is not the final list. The list is exhaustive. You can find any other social media opportunities where you can make the money. See, this is one side. I recommend you people, because most of you are using the Facebook. In Facebook, you keep on posting your content and you are having the networks. You might be using LinkedIn and you are having the network. You are using the Twitter, you are having the network. You are having the YouTube channel and having the subscribers. Without doing anything, how you can earn money on all these areas? What you can do is you can connect your all these social medias on socialpublic.com, and once you connect, you have to select what all your social media areas or sites you are having the account, and for each account it analyzes. On the left side you can see on the screen, I have added 4 social media sites, and for each it is giving the percentage weightage, and on the right side I am showing that value, what is worth of my advertisements on that social public. So what social public starts is, they will push advertisements in our name on my Facebook account. I have connected my Facebook, so in my Facebook account, social public will push my related or interested topic, because while creating the social public account, I have selected which areas I am interested. There are multiple areas: news, politics, or markets, mobiles, technology. There are many. So you can select any 4 areas. Social public, what it does, it pushes the ads to your social media account. So your followers will see that ad, and based on that, you, without doing anything, you will start earning the money. Next, the second part I'm coming is learning online. See, till now I told how to earn money. Now it is learn on social media. But the knowledge, whatever you have gained, nobody can steal it. Nobody can grab it and take it out or take it over. So always start learning the things. On screen I have listed or displayed many areas or many platforms. In this, edX is a greatest platform where world's multiple universities. I can show you. See, this is edx.org, where multiple universities of worldwide, You can see MIT of US, Massachusetts, Harvard University is there, Berkeley is there. Whatever university you need, you can register on edx.org and you can do the graduation, post-graduation or any diploma or any course from that university at very cheaper rate. If you are going there and learning, it is too much costly. But here, even at 6,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, you can get one certificate. But the course is tough. You have to give your attention. But financially, it is very easy. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take the screenshot or you can visit that website edx.org. Friends, for learning, you need not pay anything. On EDX also, or even I'm showing our Indian site. For learning, you need not pay anything. Only for certificate, if you need, you have to pay the amount. Otherwise, you can learn free of cost. Next, our Indian government has started swayam.gov.in. This is Indian government's initiative where then Council for Technical Education, IGNOU, UGC, IIMB, IITs, everyone is listed on this platform, and below it is showing the numbers. There are already 1,51,82,325 students enrolled on this platform, and successful certifications are 6,54,000. So this is a number. You can enroll yourself and get knowledge on something, and once you have the knowledge, start earning. So first you learn, get the knowledge, get the expertise, then earn. There are 10 people on screen. Can you identify these people? I think nobody can, because they are not the famous people. But they are the top 10 bloggers of India. I told you in the beginning, you can earn in lakhs, not just lakh. So these people are earning in lakhs. See, this is their names and their earnings. Can you imagine 42 lakhs per month? Amit Agarwal, with his website or blog www.labnol.org, he is earning 42 lakhs per month through affiliate marketing and promoted contents. And Harsh Agarwal, it is rupees 36 lakhs per month. You can see the last Amit Bhavani, he is earning rupees 10 lakhs per month. There are a numerous number of people who are earning less than 10 lakhs per month. Why not your photo come in this list? So I am trying. I wish you also and start making the money. So my suggestion is, don't waste your time unnecessarily by seeing somebody's post or somebody's comment or posting unnecessary photos and just forwarding unnecessary videos on WhatsApp and Facebook and other things. Start earning. Use your time effectively and efficiently, proactively, and start earning, and tomorrow God only knows you may be in this list. Thank you.